Hi everyone, welcome back to Andrea in Wooldeland. We now have 3 rows complete. This is my last row. So I have these 2 together, and then I have a space over here because we're gonna fold, and I have the other 3 over here. So by looking at this one, this gonna fold, so this will be like this, and also this gonna fold to make a heel of the socks. So now all we can do is we're gonna join all the side, which is not fold. So I have 2 little square over here, and since we stop here on the row 3, we're gonna just go up, go straight to join with the white one, go up here, go straight, go down to join to the green multiple color, go up again and finish this square, and then we're gonna stop in this corner. So we're gonna finish this portion first, and then we join to this corner, go straight over here, go all the sequence, and then we stop here. Okay, so for this portion over here, this will be as usual, chain 1 already, and then join this square to this one. I'm gonna see you back. Now let's do together. This, then we can join here, join to this side, as usual. Gonna join to this corner, so you look for that corner, pull up, and instead of like go straight over here, we're gonna just make this side. So we're just gonna go up to this side, it's a bit hard over here, but that's all right. And yeah, I'm gonna just finish this square over here. When you reach to this corner, usually we will have another square, and then you will join to the diagonal square. But since we don't have anything here, we will just join to this chain over here, and then to continue straight to this green square and to other side, and then go back to this to finish. By saying that, so I already finished this corner, and then chain 1, insert to roughly this side, just in the middle, and then I connect to this corner, make 1 single crochet, and then connect straight back to my single crochet 1, to the side. And when you reach the last corner of the green square, just gonna chain one and then fasten off by connecting to this corner. Cut the yarn, go to the next portion. So this part is connected. Now we're left with this part over here. So coming back to this last 3 square, gonna start joining my yarn back to this corner and join one straight line over here and go up, go to by our sequence, go down, go up again, go down, up again, go down, up again, go down, and then we finish in the same corner. So I'm going to go to this corner over here instead. Tie a knot. Tighten up. Make one single crochet. And then continue to join. I will meet you back when I'm done everything. Okay, so I already finished joining all the square. We're gonna stop here because, as I said, this gonna be fold up like this to become a heel. So I'm gonna just fasten it up. And then we're done joining all the square in the flat one.